Hey, what's up, guys? Man, a great day so far. So I'm over here at Randy King's, and Randy's fixing to put together this 14-liter Detroit. You guys know it is Marla's new power plant. And in the background here, we got some cleaning going up on the crankshaft, and we see on the table back there, we've got our PAI high performance engine kit. And what we're doing right now is we're just gonna get a few things cleaned up, prep this crank. We'll get some bearings installed, we'll get a crankshaft installed, and we'll get the plastic gauge out and check the clearances. Once we get that done, we'll go over to the table and we'll start assembling some pistons and rods and getting them in the liners, and we'll get this thing flipped around and we'll get some pistons and liners installed. We won't be getting too much past that today, but if we can have the rotating assembly installed, that'd be super cool. And then we plan to come back here on Tuesday and get after the rest of it. So why don't you guys take a seat over there, grab yourself a soda, and just watch us get to work. Okay guys, so over here we've got our main caps all cleaned up and ready to go. We're gonna oil these things up. They're got a little flash rusting because they were in the hot tank, and it clears off all of the lubricant, and so they get a little flash rusted, but we'll get those cleaned up. We've got our rods over here. These things have been looked at, all checked out, and they're good to go. Got some main bolts ready to go. And on this table, this is where all the magic happens. That the PAI high performance rebuild kit comes with the coated crowns and skirts. We got the PAI's liner, which is what makes these special, is this design right here. And this helps prevent cavitation. I don't know the science behind it, but these are the preferred liner. We've got some piston rings. And we got these. We got the PAI piston rings and the rod bearings. We got the main bearings over on there. But this is pretty exciting to see this stuff getting ready to go in there. Yeah, you just do you, man. Don't worry about us.
Just let me know.
Yeah.
Either way or whatever.
No, you won't be in our way.
Yeah, I've never been filmed.
You're part of the show. You just do your thing, and we'll work around you. There's some good looking bearings. What do you use for assembly lube?
It's over there. It's red. I'm not even sure what brand it would be.
All right, here it comes. I think we can get it in there. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna have to come this way a bunch, or that way a bunch with the block. Let's see. We gotta come to about here. I think I can hold it if you you take it down there.
Yes, sir. I'll go right there.
All right. We'll just go nice and slow.
Yes, sir.
And make
One
it
thing
happen.
about this is only slow.
Yeah. You can. Yep. The all-day gear. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just about to enter the bearing on my side. How's yours? Good?
It was good.
This one is a
It's
little high on this end.
A little
Okay.
high.
All right. How's that? Better?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, hold on. Looks like it might be in there. Does it look like it might be in there?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, that went nice.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah, that went real good. Now we're not gonna. Are we gonna turn it and then wipe it off, or do we not turn it before you put the plastic gauge in there?
Go ahead, plastic gauge right now, and before you get assembly lube everywhere. Yep. Smooth.
Feels okay?
Yes, sir. Yep. Yep.
Yep.
But you got it where it's hard wiring.
We're about ready to fire it up, Randy.
Was I right? About 3 and
Yeah.
4?
Yeah.
Okay, Caleb, get you a plastic gauge.
I got a green plastic gauge.
Okay.
Red.
All right, what's that one up to?
Goes up to 3,000.
You need red, it goes to 3 and 4.
Yep.
3 to 4.
Yep.
Well, guys, we got the bearings in. We got them lubed up. We got the crankshaft set in. Right now, we're going to be grabbing some plastic gauge, and then we're going to center up this crankshaft and torque down some caps and check the bearing clearance. And then once we do that, we'll be ready to lube up the rest of the bearings, assemble it, and set the thrust. Once you sit over there, have yourself another beer, and watch us go.
Got a pair of scissors.
I got a pair of scissors.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to hold it for you.
Yeah, I'm not good at plastic gauge. What number's that? 3?
765.
That's
765.
one up there.
Okay, 1, 2, 3 then.
Okay.
I did that earlier. I was like, these are out of order, aren't they? He's like, no, it's 5, 6, 7. I was like, okay.
Want a hammer?
You can look cordless impact too.
You good, sir?
Okay? 1/2 inch torque wrench.
What's the torque over?
Goes up to 395. Go about 200 with it.
Yeah. I'm there.
Okay, get your big one out.
300 right there. Yeah, that's the thing I was worried about.
Go ahead.
That's 300. So you can help hold that.
Okay, you got torque.
Yeah.
Get your air wrenches, bump it off. Okay.
Now you're gaining ground there. You got it.
That looks pretty good.
Does look pretty good. Here you go. I'd say that next white one,
We got it.
Just shy.
3,000.
3,000. Looks good to me.
That looks 3,000 dead
Yep.
on.
Yep. All right, you got that,
Yeah.
main.
Yeah. All right, let's go ahead, Caleb. Let's get the,
You get a good one?
yeah, that's good, but we gotta get this plastic gauge off the bearing right here.
Yep. And what? Yeah.
Permanently attached. Just to be honest with you, anytime I plastic gauge something, I just leave that shit in there.
I've always got it out. I've always got it out.
I've never once cleaned it off.
Really?
Yeah. And I don't know if that's right or wrong, but for the simple fact that it takes forever to get it off of there, I just never did.
What number you want next?
Get number 6 right here. Okay. Hold the same tag. You go.
That's 260. $295.
No, 395.
I meant that, yeah.
395.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Getting no ground.
Different than the laying under one.
There it went.
Motivation.
All right, let's see. Here's some thousandths right here. And you're looking for 3/1000ths, which is that white stripe.
Pretty close.
Pretty close to 3/1000ths on the button. If you put it right here in the center, it's exactly 3/1000ths. You like it? Okay.
Look at
I
that.
like it as well. You want to look at this one? So 3/1000ths in here. What do you think? You like it?
Yeah.
I do
yeah.
too.
I think it's 1 1/2 to 5.
Oh, so they're in the middle. And so the machine surface goes against the
The crankshaft.
crankshaft
No,
or against the,
machine
the,
goes
the
against
block?
The
Yes.
black surface goes against.
Okay. All right. All right. That's a pretty fancy thrust. Which do you like better, the way Cat does it or the Detroit? They're the same style, but they're different, right?
I like the Cat better.
Is the Cat's aluminum?
No, they're brass.
Or, brass, okay.
They're brass.
And this is just a coated
Yeah.
steel?
Yeah, coated, yeah.
Interesting. I'm just trusting the engineers at PAI to have developed something that works really good.
Hold your flashlight.
Don't got one. Oh no. Dropped it.
Can you do it?
You get it.
Put your skinny little hand in there and flip that thing back in the hole.
See your little tang right there? Yeah.
What do you use, lithium?
Yeah, just
Yep,
something
just to stick it to it. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You ever use a lubriplate for assembly lube when you were younger?
I have used it years ago.
Mm-hmm.
I've always either used white lube. I really like the Permatex assembly lube. I buy it by the gallon.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because I've it's been a long time, so my dad always used lubriplate, so I got a bunch of old lubriplate that I use. So far, so good. And those are 180 out, aren't they?
Mm-hmm. These right here should be.
Because you're going to put this tang to this side, right? So then, yep, these stick down in that hole. All right, gotcha. Just wanted, for learning sakes, ask that question.
Yep, that's going to go
Okay.
right here.
And then these stick down as far as these stick up, eh? Okay.
Yeah, that's going to
Right.
make it. That's what I was looking to make sure about that. Now let's put a little assembly lube.
I would have never known that that's how that went.
Yeah. All right, Caleb, you got your bolts ready? Okay. This is going to go. Do this. Okay.
Damn.
Okay.
I don't want to jinx it by saying it looks like it went right in there, but sure does, doesn't it?
Let's take and pull this one down by hand right here.
Okay.
Okay. Pull this one down by hand. All right, now when you get through, you want to take get the dial indicator and set it on the end of the crankshaft, and let's check in real quick.
Alright, you want me to go ahead and put all the rest in?
You can put all the rest of them in.
But
we're gonna
notch
check.
match notch.
Mm-hmm. Notch to
Go ahead
notch.
and work on 395.
Mm-hmm. You got this. We'll check.
Here, you want to put some mustard on the rest of them? All right. I like French's mustard. It's good.
Yeah.
Especially this red stuff. Better than the yellow. Is there such a thing as too much? Or is
No,
it-
sir.
Okay. And I'll do a nice heaping helping.
You look at that brake line right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the good brake line.
Yep. Sounds good too. That's one that was running, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sounds real good.
Alright.
Yeah. I was just gonna use my shirt, but my wife was watching, so
Yeah.
I shouldn't. You gonna put some in too, huh? Using a sledgehammer, cracking on them, you know, it's
No lubricant detail on it.
ARP. I was seeing that go to like ARP.
It's even on the wash.
The machine. Yeah, so I got job 2 things clean and insulate.
Man, you wouldn't believe it. Looking good. That's what
It was smooth to the outside. Out in the
That
woods,
was-
on a creeper with a scraper.
Yeah.
Looks like a brand new truck. And
you talking to?
yep,
We really wasn't that dirty.
Okay.
she's $395 twice.
Okay.
We started at 300 and then went
That's
395.
hot enough, Randy?
That's tied up with specky. Now I need a pry bar to make sure everything turns.
Feel it. Let me use my magic. Ooh, nope. Magic didn't work. Oh man, look at it.
Oh, yeah. What do you think about it, Randy?
No tight spots?
Huh?
Seems tight, don't it?
Yeah. Take number 6 off. Okay. Take the thrust bearer.
Oh, it seems like it's time.
Yep.
Well, take the thrust bearer now.
Yep, it's tight on the front one.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one is not down as far as that one, it doesn't look like. So either that one's too far down or this one's not down far enough. Yep, I didn't notice that initially.
Here, wiggle them out. Okay.
Turn it around. Keep on going.
Yeah.
A little bit more.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, low.
Uh-huh. I see where you're going.
That's a lot easier.
Yep, I see what you're, I smell what you're stepping in.
I'm going to negotiate with him on that. That's getting too high on him.
Here, I'm gonna give her a little tap.
Yeah.
There you go.
All right. Watch out.
Give me 1 second.
All right, now. Here, hold it. Put this over there.
Now I bet it'll turn with your hand.
You got a spot right there.
It turn it with the hand, watch.
Move it back.
Yep. All right, so this one's coming out.
Why don't you find out that easy?
You want this one?
always check.
You want to leave it in there, or you want to take it out?
Let me see it right there.
All right. Yeah, see, it's still okay, but that's where I think that's where it was pinching. Yeah, this one's fine. So it's just that one. So it just wasn't quite. Yeah, see, this one was front. I wonder if the halves just got backwards, you know?
That was backwards.
I said I wonder, because see, there's two fronts, right?
Okay.
So I wonder if there's two fronts and two backs. So I wonder if maybe that one was backwards, you know? Because he has one that got damaged was a front, and I just don't know. I changed my mind. I want to take it back out. Look, okay. So this one's not marked. Okay, so this one didn't hit anything. These two are marked. This is what does it all say front? What does this one say? Rear. Okay. So I think that's what. Nope, it would have been right. Yeah, it would have been right. Those are both junk though. Yep, that's not good.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Is there a machine wrong?
No. It was an installation error. But I still don't know how. It don't make any sense. Because if it's a pinch, you would think it would pinch both sets, not just the top ones. And then this would have been the front side, and it would have been up against the crank. But how? You know, it don't make no sense. There's not a notch for this. You know what I'm saying? See, that's why this cap is damaged right here, because
So they were supposed
this,
to be just flat?
yeah, well,
Don't know.
I don't know. See how it both parts of the cap. Let me get back over here to the block. Let me have that other one. I think I honestly think it should have went the other way. You know what I mean? I honestly think it should have been that these are marked wrong.
I was gonna say, if it pushes further down in there, then that little notch should
Should
go
have
down
pushed
in there.
down in there as well.
Yeah.
But see, they tried to close it up in this side of the crank, and it's going to have to get fixed. So the crank's going to have to come back out. And you can't, there's nothing you can do. It's junk. Those are junk. And that block is damaged now, and so is the main cap. I got the easy one. Well, I thought I did. Here you go.
Yes, sir.
Here you go.
Number 7.
Okay, and
Snap.
we need those purple things.
Purple things.
Yep. Mommy, you think you could find me a rag?
I got this.
No. I don't think that's gonna do it.
You want some more?
No, it's fine. Dang, we left a lot of bearings sitting in there, didn't we?
Yes, sir.
Give me one, you take one. Strap her up. Okay. Hold up. I don't want to drop those bearings. Okay, this one's out. Okay. All right, go up a little more. Other way, other up. Oops, okay. Does that trolley move pretty easy?
Sir?
Does the trolley move pretty easy?
Yeah. Yep, it does.
All right, give her a push. All right.
Or we just leave it.
We can just leave her hanging there, yep. This bearing should
Yes,
come
sir.
out. Here you go. And look it over good and make sure it's not hurt in any way. Okay. Yeah, it's just ever so slight. If you just take a file
Yes, sir.
and just work that a little bit. I think what the problem is the cap is not designed for that style. See, the cap doesn't have a relief. See, it should have a big relief. Let me get a feel.
Fascinating.
This one kind of has just a little bit
Yes, sir.
more. Just a fuzz. Get my spectacles on. Let me do some more. Switch my spots. Yep. Did that a few times my own self. Okay, I think I've got it pretty close. It was squished down pretty far. Yeah, so I'll let you see what I see. The cap not having this makes it impossible to use those.
Okay, but it's got, is there any more thrust bearings with it, Kate?
Yeah, the ones you gave me right there.
No. Did any more come with the engine kit? There's another, hang on.
A different style?
No, there's a top and a bottom to it. It's been a while on a 14 liter. But there's a top and a bottom. They used to have packed way more thrust bearings in them than what you needed.
Oh,
All right, if you do that one right
You
there.
know, in the gasket kit?
Yeah, the main bearing kit.
See where he's at, so I can get unhooked and go. I gotta go off chicken in a little bit.
Yes, sir.
And here's your other ones of these.
Yes, sir. Tools and supply out. Yep.
This is doing this right here. No. The cap's not.
Want to see one of these and put the tang on the same side? I mean, it's technically backwards, but I mean, does it matter?
You got to have this to your crank right here. This is made to go against you. Okay, that would work. That in there.
And these aren't labeled front or back, right? So there's no reason why we can't mismatch them to
Yeah.
have the tang in this hole. You can have 2 tangs in that hole, right?
Yeah, as long as it's going to go down in that hole right there. This one right here is going to go down in here. It's not. See, it's going to go down in here like that. That's going to go down in there. That's not.
Yeah.
You buy that?
Yep. I mean, we don't have any other choice.
Yeah.
Without the cap having that relief, you can't put them the way those come.
Yeah. Some of them had one. It's been a long time on 04 model. Some of them had that they would send a Detroit bearing. They'd send different ones, and you'd always have some left over. You had to match them up. But this is right here. That's going to get a little white loop, Caleb. Let's put this stick here for put the white loop right there. That's going to go right there.
This thing's covered in plastic. It's weird,
Wash
right?
that off. That's the reason you check it.
Yep. Better to find out now than when it was in the engine.
Yeah, y'all always make my checks. Main bearings rotate.
Yep.
Main bearings rotate. When I'm doing one in the frame, I like for them to do the main bearings, and then let's rotate the crankshaft.
All right. Now we got to put the bearing in and set the crank back down.
You need,
Now remember, it's going to bind up a little bit because it's not quite turned exactly how we need it to be. So it's going to rub a little on the way in. That was a great idea. That worked much better. Okay.
you got it now. All right, give me a screwdriver.
You want to move it backwards?
Move it forward.
Forward? Forward that way?
Just a little bit, yeah. That way. Okay, right now.
Right there.
This one will go simply lead.
You got to push that one in a little bit. If I get my big head in your way, just push it out of the way. It happens.
Okay, that's going to go here.
It's already on. You just have to point it how you're probably.
It's going. It's in the right place.
Now,
So we need to leave a space for the top ones to go in, right? Think about that much?
there.
Yep. Just need want a little white on there? Put a little white on there?
Then, that's going to
Yep.
go like that.
Here's some white on this one. And this one goes this way, yep. A little more. Yeah, get in this one. There you go. There you go.
Now,
I got this one on.
similar lead, Caleb.
You get it.
Mustard right here.
Okay.
Almost got your whole arm.
Let's take it. I'm usually going up with this thing. I grab that bolt right there where you find it.
Yours is up a lot higher than mine. I got it kind of on a,
You want your mains right in here. You want them. I worry about it when it don't have like a press fit in there. And all.
Because then it can chuck around a little.
Yeah. I've seen them like that, and I put them up like that before, and never had no trouble out of them. But, okay.
Yeah, see, now that thing moves.
Move.
I can't see this one. Ooh, that one was out a little bit.
Let's push it.
I pushed it in, it went right in. Yeah, I think it might be good.
Let's see.
It's way nicer than it was. Yeah. Granted, there's only one main cap on, but that was the trouble main, so.
Yeah.
All right.
Done one time.
Now I got abrasive on all my hands, so I can't touch any bearings.
We had a 855 years ago, step time engine. You don't have any of them, do you?
Step time, yep. Cummins,
Yeah.
the big cam 4
Yeah.
with step timing control, yes. I actually I took all the step timing stuff off
Why?
because it was in an accident and a lot of stuff was damaged and I didn't want to buy it all. So took it all off.
Do you understand the concept?
I do. It's so that when the oil is cold, it advances the timing so the
Keeps
thing,
the smoke down.
yeah, starts good and don't smoke like a freight train.
Yeah.
Yep.
I had some NPA that's in them in years. If Steve Flint throw them away, I'd give them to you. But a lot of people didn't understand them. My daddy did, and I did. We had it in the front of the shop in '89, all the STC engine. Had a problem with number 6 main bearing in it. My cousin was building it. My daddy was here then, dog.
Here, as he gets one done, mark it with an X because he did the first one already.
I thought he just did the one.
I just did
He did.
300.
Yeah,
This is final.
this is the last one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just do one more, and then we'll come back and do an X.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, not an X yet. No, he
How-
just did 300. Now
So it
he's doing-
needs one mark on all of them, right?
Yes, and then he'll go back.
Right now.
However you want to mark it.
Put a mark on every one of them
I
right
know.
now.
No, not yet. He only did 300 so far.
And this is
No,
395.
and then he was gonna do the 395 twice.
Oh,
what
I
we did
got you.
last
Oh,
time.
I got you. I'm on the same bore and stroke as you guys. I'm old. It takes me a minute to get with the program.
How?
Yep. It sucks after 50, don't it?
It ain't no.
Yeah.
I was 40 years old. It'd take 5 to keep up with me.
Yep.
I used to work at Sunbelt, where the school is now, and you know, when I had a chance, my daddy built, he was gonna work down there, then he got a job, and so I went to White, or Volvo now, and got a set of heads and head gasket set, come back, 5 hours, I had.
Too much oil on it.
Just right on directly on the tip though.
Oh, yeah, that's
You gotta
nice.
do it sideways.
I heard it come up, that last little 1/16 of an inch. Beep.
Shake them as I went.
Yeah, you know, should-haves, would-haves, and could-haves, those parts should have been right from the beginning, and then we wouldn't have had to worry about it. We should have ignored what they said on them and just put them in there how they looked right. You can never tell when people
You run
answer the
any
phone
speed?
with those things on.
Yeah. You
Yeah,
can run any speed you want to now,
Nice.
can't
You get sicker, it's pretty good.
you?
yep. 4 more and then 24 more. 14.
Alright.
You can contradict me, it's fine.
You're plumb welcome. I was gonna say, you can stretch on out now.
He says, whatever
Yeah.
you say, Grandpa.
Yeah, whatever you say, Grandpa.
Okay. Alright, yeah, you say.
Whew, almost done. Just think, we'd already had all the pistons in if we wouldn't have
Yeah.
had them pieces.
I got on the laptop. Man, it had a big influence in my life right here. He was Bill them off the assembly. One of the first ones to come off, they shipped it up there to the Waco, give it to him. And he always said to be on the back, on the RTL 187 812. And anyway, quit the I did, and I went helping my daddy down here at the shop. We're down there. He was working at the school, helping them drive, and he was working on there part-time. And then he got to be in full-time. He put us at a 53 LJ Mac, and it under the hood, but it's in Eufaula now.
Mm-hmm.
He knows the truck. He's seen it. I hadn't seen it since then. And Paul built the old motor in here. My daddy did, and I put it in when it was a shed out there, and we put an 855 with 2 turbos in that old LJ Mac in it right out here.
Thank you.
Man, we made that thing out right there.
Now turn it. Give it the seal of approval.
Turn it, Mama. Oh yeah, look at her go. Yeah.
Yeah, there she is.
I mean, I can feel the thickness of the assembly lube,
Yeah.
but it feels good other than that.
A little oil on that right there would have made it a little bit
Yeah.
easier to turn. But I like the assembly lube because it sticks to it. When it gets cold weather, I like to mix a little oil with it to thin it down. So,
Right.
you know,
When we do first start on this, it's going to be cold out.
yeah.
I guess we do that right there.
Yep, sure can.
I was trying to get on the gear if he's more of a machined surface, but
It's all good.
Okay.
Let's see. Okay. So let me go all the
might be
way.
the mama
Let me go all the way to the back. Oh, it is. Okay.
yeah, let me zero it.
All right. There ain't much. Couple thousandths maybe. All right. So just make sure that that's where it wants to center there.
Okay. That's 3.5, 4,000.
3.5 that direction, and how many that direction?
That's gonna be-
See, that's really kind of cheating, right? Because
Yeah.
there's about 3 that way,
Yep.
and then whoops.
2.5 that way, so
Yeah.
more like 5 thousandths.
So it's about altogether it's about 8 because there's 5
Yep.
and there's 3, so that's about 8.
I got a bunch of.
You do, but you ain't.
Yeah, I think that's fine
Find the backup light.
because I think he said 4 to 10, right?
Yes, sir. That's
So
what he said.
perfect, 8 is good.
Yep. Let him look at
Yep,
it.
yes, sir.
But I need to.
Randy, it kind of sits in the center. In one direction, I got 3, and the other direction, I got 5. So that's 8 total.
Yeah.
And it kind of sits in the middle. Okay.
That's gonna be pretty close.
Okay.
Right there.
Oh, I was just trying to get to this cat. Hi, bud.